Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Fiza Ishfaq from BS Chemistry 3rd semester and I am the member of Group 7. Today the topic of my presentation is economic slowdown and unemployment crisis in Pakistan. Group 7 members are Sanya Saqib, Sirat Iftikhar, Sumaira Ehsan, Fiza Ishfaq, Sonia Nasir, Hamna Rafiq, Sima Fatma, Myra Khalid, Zubia Nasir and Savira Akram. Let's start. Economic slowdown. In economics, the term slowdown generally describes the reduction of GDP. GDP stands for gross domestic product. And what is gross domestic product? Gross domestic product is the final monetary value of goods and services produced within the geographical boundaries of the country during specified. Now let me break this sentence and explain each term in detail. The measurement of GDP involves the production of billions of goods and services like smartphones, cars, computer, college education and all other produced in current year and summing them into total rupee value. GDP counts the goods and services produced within the country and hence doesn't count the products that the country import. For example, car manufactured in Pakistan and exported to Europe, it would be included in GDP. But the iPhone manufactured in USA and imported in Pakistan, it would not be included in GDP. GDP calculation only consider the products that are produced in the year of calculation. If mobile is produced and sold for rupees 5000, it would be included in GDP. If someone buys a second-hand phone, it would not be included in GDP. The another important factor of GDP are it only includes finished goods, not intermediate goods. What is finished goods and intermediate goods? Finished goods are those which cannot be sold again and purchased only for their final use. And intermediate goods are those which are used to make a final goods. Economists use usually gross domestic product to measure economy of the country. There are three methods that is used to measure gross domestic product. First is income approach, that is calculate income earned by all factors of production like firms plus government plus others. And second one is expenditure approach. It's the converse of income approach as rather than it began with money spent on goods and services like consumers plus firms plus governments plus foreign. Third one and last one is production method. Production method in which no double counting. If GDP is rising, the economy is good and the nation move forward. If GDP is falling, the economy is in trouble. GDP in Pakistan expected to reach 270 USD billion by the end of 2020. Economic slowdown in Pakistan. Risk analyst Khurram Shehzad expects Pakistan economy shrink by $15 billion and 10% decline in gross product as a result of pandemic. Unemployment crisis in Pakistan. Unemployment. According to OECD, unemployment defined as unemployed person are defined as those who report that they are without work, that they are available for work, and that they have taken active step to find work in the last 4 weeks. In simple words, unemployed person means a person who are jobless. Unemployment is often used as a measure of health of economy. The number of unemployed persons in the country has been estimated to reach 6.65 millions during the fiscal year 2020 to 2021. Unemployment ratio in 2020 is 4.45%. During lockdown, mostly people are affected in pandemic situation due to poor economy. When economy is in poor shape and jobs are scarce, the unemployment rate can be expected to rise. But when the economy is growing at healthy rate and jobs are relatively plentiful, it can be expected to fall. That's why during lockdown the unemployment rate is high. Unemployment rate in Pakistan. This is the graph of unemployment rate in Pakistan. In 2019, the unemployment rate is 6.14. The most frequent measure of unemployment is the unemployment rate, which is the number of unemployed people divided by the number of people in labor force. Last slide is causes of unemployment. The main cause of high rate of unemployment in Pakistan are lack of education, lack of proper skills, and high rate of population growth. Thank you.